going to show you how you could use your phone as a webcam and a microphone for your PC.
So pwede pala, tingnan natin.
And this is completely free.
Completely free.
Process. We're going to use OBS Studio to either just record the camera feed directly.
Okay lang yung mag-download ng OBS daw. Tingnan natin OBS Studio. So may option tayo dyan. Windows, MacOS, Mac OS, or Linux. Ito yung mga operating system na pwede nating yung window para yan sa mga laptop, ito sa MacBook, ito Linux. Tuloy tayo.
Directly from your phone, or we could use OBS Studio to send the feed to other applications like Zoom or Microsoft Teams or any other app that lets you choose a webcam. Next, we need to get your camera's feed from your phone to your PC. And to do that, we don't have to install anything. We're going to use a free web app called VDO.ninja. You can click on the card up above or the link.
VDO Ninja. Tingnan natin. Oh, ito pala yun. Kailangan mag-download ka nito, create room. Tuloy tayo.
Link down below in the description. Once you land on the website, click on the button in the top right-hand corner that says Create Reusable Invite. Here, you'll see several different settings that you can customize. I'll check the box next to Allow video effects to be used. I think these are fun. Once you're all set, click on the button that says Generate the Invite Link. This now generates an invite link. And
okay. So, ito yung pindutin mo sa Video Ninja. Open, tapos use option, allow video effect. So, hindi tayo nakakonect dyan. Tingnan natin yung...
Right here, you'll see a QR code.
Yeah, lalabas yung QR code.
Take out your phone and open up the camera app and aim it at the QR code, and then head to the associated website address. Here, you'll see the option to share your camera. Click on that, and you'll also likely have to click on Allow.
So, may barcode. Scan mo yung barcode pagka nag-generate link ka na. Ayan, barcode. Kunin mo yung cellphone mo, scan mo dito. Tapos, mag-command yung yung cellphone na sharing camera.
On this screen, you could choose which camera you want to use, your front camera, your back camera, and down below you could also choose a video effect. Now don't worry, you can always go back and change these later. For now, I'll click on Start. Now that the phone is all set up, we now need to receive the feed on our PC. Back within the browser window, let's now copy the browser source link.
Ayan. Para ma-connect mo siya sa phone mo, yung camera is copy mo to, katulad nito, ito sa akin. I-copy mo daw yan.
Next, open up OBS, and under Sources, let's click on the plus icon. Here, you can give the source a name. I'll leave it set to the default. Next, paste in the URL that we just copied. For the dimensions, I'll set them to 1280 by 720. Also, I want OBS to control the audio, so I'll check this box. Next, click on Apply. And check that out. We can now see our video from our phone directly in OBS.